Well, here he is, watching transform. Just an ordinary fellow with blonde, dirty blonde hair, with wearing a leather jacket, probably from some store, I don't know. I don't need a phone booth. Watch me.
I'm a total groupie, not for this band, but